I have three questions here that are saying evaluate the following. Now, these are binomial what? Coefficients. Well, what this means is that you know the binomial coefficient formula. N factorial you divide by n minus, let me call it r factorial times r factorial. Well, you must be able to recall this formula. So this is what we're going to do here. That will be 5 factorial. You divide by 5 minus 3 factorial, then again 3 factorial, which will be 5 factorial. You divide by 2 factorial times 3 factorial. Don't be tempted to say 2 times 3, then you say 6 factorial. No, please. So this is 5 factorial. Bye. You can keep one of these. Sorry. You can keep one of these and suggest where you end. If I say, okay, let me keep 2 factorial, then evaluate 5 factorial, then 3 factorial, this is what will happen. I'm going to get 4 times 5 on top, and I'll get just 2 factorial here. The result is simple. If I try to evaluate 3 factorial and 5 factorial, this will give me 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times what? 5. You divide by, I'm just doing 5 factorial and 3 factorial. This will be 1 times 2 times 3. You discover that this and that will go. This is the 4 times 5 that has remained here. You get the concept, right? Then there's 2 factorial which is remaining there. All right. So we now evaluate the remaining. 2 factorial is just 2. So 2 goes there. So it's 4 times 5. 2 factorial is just 1 times 2. 2 there, 2 there is 2. So the answer is 10 here. Done. Next is 4 and 0. This will be 4 factorial. You divide by 4 minus 0 factorial, then 0 factorial. Now what is 4 factorial? 4 factorial remain the same. Then 4 factorial is just 4 factorial there, because 4 minus 0. Then we've got 0 factorial. 4 factorial will remain, divided by 4 factorial. 1 factorial is just 1. Sorry, 0 factorial is just 1. Now this will just give us 1. Next is 6. So this will be 6 factorial. You divide by 6 minus 2 factorial, then 2 factorial. This gives us 6 factorial over 4 factorial divided by that, which will just give us, if I evaluate this one, like the same method that I showed you here, I'm going to remain with 5 times 6, right? Here on top, 4, 3, 2, 1 will disappear. Then I'll remain with 2. Now 2 factorial is just 2. And 2 there is 3. And 3 times 5, you get 15. So this is how I'm supposed to answer these questions.